Good early morning, friends. It is 6 a.m. here in Queenstown and I'm doing a morning walk because we have a really adventurous day today planned ahead. We are going to explore the glaciers, but it means that we are going to get out of Queenstown, like 260 kilometers if I'm not mistaken. But yesterday I have noticed that we have a really interesting wetlands walkway just next to our apartment where we are staying. So I decided to wake up a bit earlier and have a look what are the local wetlands look like. Of course I managed to forget how freezing might be mornings here in Queenstown, but it's actually quite nice to get out of your warm bed and freeze your butt a little bit, so I'm absolutely enjoying the moment. We have arrived to Arrowtown. That is a small historical town nearby Queenstown. It's only like 20 kilometers away from it. It is a place you really want to visit while you're around because its history started back in 1860s. It is the place where all the gold rush was, and here they have the historical settlement, like the place where the Chinese people who came here to mine the gold, they were living here, so they reconstructed all the houses and you can just walk around and see how everything was actually happening. And also the town itself is a really historical place, like pretty much all the buildings you see there on the main streets, they have their own history that dates back to 100 years, and it's absolutely awesome to look at them. The Tasman Lake behind me wasn't even here 30 years ago, and now it's 5 kilometers long. It means that Tasman Glacier melts so fast. It's just incredible. We just had a 1-hour ride around this lake, and I can hardly describe how cool is it to be so close to icebergs, to be so close to glaciers. And we even had an opportunity to touch them and even to taste them, and it tastes pretty good actually. So it's just an incredible tour despite the weather. Like, just come here and enjoy the glacier. There are not so many places in New Zealand where you can actually see the snow and the ice all year round.
I ate an iceberg and it was so cool. We were so lucky. It wasn't raining, and the guide said we are the only group in a week to be so lucky. We are at the clay cliffs right now, and the road here is just unbelievably terrible, but the views here are just super amazing. No one except us is here. It's pretty impressive. And this is the end of today's vlog. Thank you for watching, guys. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel because we are doing daily vlogs from our New Zealand road trip. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.